In this series, you will learn the fundamentals of salsa dance. By the end, you will be able to perform 8 different salsa steps using the 1-2-3, 5-6-7 rhythm and the chord beat timing on 1, 3, 5, and 7. We will do all these steps in different orders and piece them together to make a choreographed sequence. Get excited to dance salsa to slow, medium, and fast tempo music. You'll get to learn the footwork for a leader and a follower so that if you go to dance at a social event, you won't step on anyone's feet. In each lesson, you will get to improvise to decide what salsa step or rhythm to do next. We're so glad you're joining us on this salsa adventure.